Hello and welcome back to Python 2020. Today in this video we will learn about Python OS library. We will learn how to loop on a folder using Python OS library, or you can say like how to loop on a directory using Python OS. And then Python how to get all the CSV files in a folder, or in Python how to get all the PDF files in a folder, or in Python how to get all the Excel files. So that will be the third topic, and the last we will see all the subfolders also. So in Python how to get the name of all the subfolders inside the folder, or you can say all the subdirectories inside the directories. So let's start. First of all, I would like to show you the folder. So in my D drive I have one folder, and the folder name is this, and I have here CSV files, PDF files, and Excel files also. All right. Now I will go to my PyCharm. And if you are not aware how to install PyCharm or how to add libraries to PyCharm, there is video number 2 and 3 on my YouTube channel. And if you want to write same code in Jupyter Notebook, you can watch video number 8.7 on my YouTube channel. Okay. So first of all, we need a path. Before that, we will require OS library, Python OS library, which will loop on the folders and get the file names. So here you can see I have given the path here. Okay, so just to avoid this one. So I have my path here, you can see on the screen. And os.listdir is the function which will return all the file names inside a folder. All right, and then I have stored the result into a variable. Okay, so once I have list of all the files, what I will do that I will loop through the list of files. So for that, for your file name is the item, and then this is the list which is from here. And then let me try to print all the file. So you can see here all the file names and the folder names are available here. All files, and all right. So now next point is in Python how to filter out the files by extension, or you can say in Python how to print all the Excel files inside a folder, or in Python how to print all the PDF file names inside a folder, or let's say in Python how to print all the CSV files inside a folder. So that all we will cover now. So this print line I have given just for the partition, and this is the way to print the PDF file. You just have to give the extension name. If .pdf in your file name, then it should print the file name, and then your further code will come here. So let me just run this and see. So I have only two files in my folder. I'll just show you the files. So you have PDF this, and you have PDF this one. All right. Now we will see how to get all the CSV file names inside a folder in Python. So dot, I just have to change the extension .csv, and then you can run, and you can see the result. I have three CSV files over there. You can see CSV1, you can see CSV2, and you can see CSV3. Now final that how to in Python how to filter Excel files inside a folder. So it's basically XLSX. So you have Excel files also here. So now the final step is that how will you print all these folders inside a folder. So let me remove these comments so that you can see entire code on single screen. Python OS dot walk will return you all the subdirectories inside a directory, or if you can say like if you want to find all the folder name inside the folder name, then you have to use os dot walk. Or so the os dot walk will return you three things. One is root, all the roots will be there, and directories, which are the folders inside the folders, and then files. So I will just comment this below line, and then now I will run the code. So you see all the file names and folder names are there, and then okay, now let me just comment this line and show you one by one. This is root, so root will basically give you all the folder paths. Okay, so just for the differentiation, I am adding this line here once again. Okay, now let's try to run this code. So you can see all the folders of the first folder, and inside this one more folder, and inside that one more folder. So here you see the first path here, one more folder here, one more folder. So this is how you can get all the folders inside a folder using Python OS. So hope you can see entire code on your screen right now. So if you find this video useful for you, please subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for all other videos which are already available about Python. And it will be really helpful if you can just like my video and you can give your feedback in comments. Thank you very much for your time.